Mastering the Art of Discretion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the depths of the English language to bring clarity to those tricky phrases and idioms that can sometimes be a little perplexing. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase that often crops up in both professional and personal contexts: maintain discretion. So, if you've ever found yourself scratching your head over this one, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the phrase itself, let's break down its core component: discretion. Discretion refers to the quality of being careful about what one says or does, to avoid causing offense or to ensure that private information remains confidential. It's about exercising good judgment in what to share and what to keep to oneself. Think of it as being the keeper of a secret or the careful weigher of words before they are spoken. When someone advises you to maintain discretion, they are essentially telling you to keep up this practice of careful judgment and confidentiality. It's not just about being discreet in a single moment, but consistently applying this careful consideration in various situations over time. This could relate to professional secrets, personal information about friends, or any sensitive topic where sharing indiscriminately could lead to harm or misunderstandings. Maintaining discretion is crucial for several reasons. Builds trust. When you're known as someone who can keep a secret, people trust you more. Prevents conflict. By not sharing sensitive information carelessly, you can avoid causing unnecessary conflict or hurt feelings. Professionalism. In many jobs, discretion is not just a nice-to-have but a strict requirement to protect client confidentiality or sensitive company information. Here are a few tips to help you maintain discretion in your daily life. Think before you speak. Always take a moment to consider the impact of your words. Understand the context. What might be fine to share in one situation could be inappropriate in another. Respect privacy. Treat others' information as you would want yours to be treated. When in doubt, leave it out. If you're unsure whether something should be shared, it's safer to keep it to yourself. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at what it means to maintain discretion. By understanding and applying this principle, you can navigate both professional and personal landscapes more smoothly and build stronger, more trusting relationships along the way. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject for you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.